Okay, I have this vape in my hand. It is the brand is Atus. The flavor Cola Ice, which 16,000 puffs. Let's open it and see how it looks inside. If you press the button here, you can see all the menu. Let me just switch this light off it, you can see better here. You can see if you switch it on, there's 0 degrees. It have the degrees of the element. 0%, I think that means it's finished. The tank is empty. It's on 13 watt, the power. I think, but I don't know if you can set the power. Maybe there's a way to set the power. Well, 14, 15, 16, 10, 11, 12. You can set the amount of power. Okay, and then and 74% is the charging level. Okay, let's just put with my pipe. Maybe see what's going on when you pull it. Okay, it's flashing, says it's empty. It's on 14 watt. Okay, now let's open the thing and see what's inside here. Let's try the back part first. Maybe I need to open the back part first. There's it. You open the back part first. And then there's a screw in there. Small, you see there and there. It's a small star screw. To undo it, that's why the top side, maybe the PC board is on the top side. It's only one this side, and one this side. Need a special screwdriver to go in there. Okay, now there is open. Now you can maybe try to open the front here. See, there it goes. Shows you, just be careful what you do. In the back, there's also one. So there's little three star screwdrivers to open it. That's it. Okay, this one is different. The other ones you can see here is now the PC board with all the display. There's your button. Here's your tank. Just push this thing out. All of them have there's a different design, all different designs. You can open this part here. And here's your battery. This is a different lithium, looks like a lithium polymer. This is in a different shape. It's a 750 milliamps hour. It's a 3.7 volt. And there's your display, and there's your chippy around the display, and little battery. There's your tank. And here again is your. You can open this, take this and put it some tissue paper, suck up all this gunk lying here, and then you can put it back, and then you can open it, and there's your vacuum device. Sits here in the bottom here. There it is. It tells me something. There is a reference. You can see there's a positive and a negative is there, and the output. So it needs a reference. So there must be electronics or a FET or something in there that it switches. Okay, there's all a little bit of stuff that suck up all the excess. They just put this in nicely back again. The thing doesn't want to go back in. Anyhow, they solder in the factory. They solder the two wires there. Okay, then obviously there you can fill it up. You can fill up your juice there. You drip it in the outside there, and then let's put it back. So corner. Other way around. Okay, now we can push this back. There's your battery in there. There's this device in there. Make sure all the stuff is in nicely. Batteries in. There's the whole thing. Very neat. Now we can put the screen back. And we're going to put the screws back, the 3 screws, there, and there. Fasten it. So in there, and you put your clip, your back part back. That's it. If you damage something, take a flat knife, you can just scratch it like this. Take the marks off. And let's get my pipe. Okay, let's take the pipe, smoke it. That's it. But anyway, this is then the inside of the Atus Cola Ice 16,000 puffs. Okay, this is my input for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Until next time, cheers.